Hello guys, Simong Vlog pa nagbabalik yan. Mag-download ka ng OWA. Yan, mag-tutorial tayo ng OWA ngayon. OWA application, guys. Okay? First of all, mag-login kayo dyan. Tapos verify niyo yung account nyo. Yan, ilagay niyo yung email nyo, last name, first name, middle name, and birth date. Okay? Kahit hindi na yung cellphone number, okay? Automatic na yan kapag may lagay niyo na yung email nyo, guys. Okay? Okay, yan. Typing muna ako ng aking email. Yan, guys. Yan. Note lang kayo, guys. At kung mapanood nyo to, please share, okay? Ayan na po, guys. Yan. Yan. After that, kung birthday pa, kapag matapos na yung birthday, okay, confirm nyo na lang. Yan, nakikita pala yung birthday ko yan. March 16, 1992 yan. Verify nyo. Okay? Pindot-pindot lang yan. Yan, papasok din yan, guys, okay? Yan. Yan, membership verified, yan. And then, pagkatapos yan, okay, check nyo yung email nyo, madating email. Katapos nyo i-check yung email, yan, lalagyan nyo yung password tsaka yung email nyo dyan, okay? After that, okay na, guys. Yan na yung OWA application nyo, okay? Ayan, makita yung personal information, news, e-car, hotlines, okay, guys? Okay, thank you for watching. This is Imong Vlog. Please share. Thank you. God bless.